What's up guys, welcome back to our channel, welcome to another video. And today we're here with another update. We're here with excited news and I'm sure you guys will appreciate this one. So recently we've been on the website of Kemtek development and there was a discovery that phase 2 of Oak Estate is now selling. You heard me right. Oak Estate phase 2 is now on sale. So you guys can run over to their website to put in your application. You can head over there to get some more contact details and information on the process, but you guys don't want to miss out on this opportunity. So for those who were trying to get onto phase 1 and you were unsuccessful in doing so, now is the opportunity to get your hands on one of these units. Alright, so the prices are also posted on the website, and you guys, like I say, you can check them out. The Vista, which is the 2-bed 2-bathroom unit, which sits on a minimum lot size of 4,000 square feet, it is now being sold for $29 million. Alright, and then for the 3-bedroom 3-bathroom, which is the Royal at the Oak, that unit is now being sold for $38,200,000. So guys, they also have the Colony, which is the 3-bedroom 3-bathroom townhouse. That price is set at $37,500,000. And there's also the Colony 4-plex that is going for $38 million. So guys, go on the website of Kemtek Development. You can sign up there. If you had already made an application, you can always follow up on that. Continue to stick around to our channel, continue to stick around to our videos. Like I said, we post the updates as we get them. So this is a brand new update that has recently been posted, and you guys know exactly what to do. Just go ahead, share out the video, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell a family member. There are so many persons who have been asking about this development. Don't be selfish with the information, because we're providing it to you guys for free. So go right ahead and share with everybody that you know. Share it on your social media platforms, tag somebody. Remember our Instagram page. Just share the content, guys. Remember also to help us to grow by liking these videos, by watching the ads, sharing the videos, leaving your comments. I know persons have a lot to say, especially where the price is concerned. Guys, another good news in this video. We will be going live in short order, so you guys can look out for posters for that, so we can have a discussion, we can have one-on-ones. You can let me guys know how you feel about these developments. Alright, you can also make requests of other developments that you want to see. But back to Oak Estate. This is promised to be a very lovely development. If it is you are interested in these units, please don't hesitate. Just run over to their website now, make in your application, get yourselves ready. Remember, it's open for sale. Hope you have your deposits ready. I've been drilling you guys on this for months now. If you're actively seeking to purchase a property, you need to at least have a pre-qualification letter. Alright, so head on over. Remember, we've posted drone shots. We'll give you guys an updated one very soon. Remember, we've posted the open house videos. You guys can still go on the channel and check those out, and we'll definitely continue to provide you guys with all these updates as they come. So enjoy this video, guys. Remember to share out the content. We really appreciate you guys, and I wish you all the best in your application process. All the best in seeking out one of these properties. And if OK Estate is not for you, no need to worry. We have so many more developments that are happening, and if you are actively looking, you also need to be prepared. These units go pretty fast, so you don't want to be getting ready when the announcement is made for sale. So guys, enjoy this video. Thanks for stopping by for another update, and we'll definitely catch you guys in another video. So it's peace out from ChriSamz, and bless up. Wish you guys all the best, and we'll see you in another video.